It's giving. Hey there, loves. Welcome back. How are y'all doing? How's your family doing? Happy holidays and all that good stuff. We're on the road to do some shopping today. We're actually doing some Christmas shopping. I'm sorry if the camera keeps bouncing, guys, but that's what you get when you're on the road, right? We're going to do some Christmas shopping as well as look for a new stove, because I told you guys before, our stove is just freaking out. It is burr season. It is layer weather season. So I'm wearing my thick jacket, heavy boots, and all the good stuff. Everything everything is just cold right now. My fingers hurt, my toes hurt. It's just really, really cold. So that's why I'm wearing my tam and my thick jacket, if you guys are wondering. It's just really cold, guys. But we're going shopping. We're gonna look for some Christmas decor, and I will share it with you guys later on in the video. We've made it to Media Mart, so we're just going to go inside to see what they have when it comes to options for a stove. So wish us luck. I hope we can find something good, y'all. It don't matter. Y'all, I'm always looking at things I shouldn't be looking at because we don't need another coffee machine, but I really do like this. Washer, dryer, where's the stoves? During our search for a new stove, I've really been drawn to the glass top burners. Let me know if you guys have any experience with them. Are they good or not? My husband says they're really good with energy saving, so they don't burn as much energy as the regular burners, the metal top burners. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. I would get a gas stove if I had the option, but because they don't really offer that option here, and the home is not designed for a gas stove, I have to purchase another electrical stove. But like I said before, guys, I'm really liking the glass tops. Y'all have to let me know if these are good or not, because I think I'm sold on the glass top, okay? We are back inside the car. We did find a few options that we liked, but because we didn't measure the top of the stove, we have to measure it first before we can actually choose one, just to make sure that the stove top actually fits into that cutout area. And then the oven part, I think the guy said, is standard, so that we don't really have to measure. But the stovetop we definitely need the correct measurements for, so we're gonna do that and come back a different day. But we're gonna head out to do some Christmas shopping, y'all. I'm sorry, the road is really bad in this area. It's really bad. So I'll see y'all when we get to the store to do some Christmas shopping. Of course, I can never just look for what I came for. I absolutely love this one right here in the center. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Is that not cute? It's almost giving modern, but boho. And I'm talking about this one right here. I love that. Absolutely love that. These Christmas tree shaped lanterns are really cute, but I don't know where I would put them if I got them. But they're really cute. I actually like this. This is interesting. It looks like a frosted pine or something. I'm still on the search for a cookie jar, but these containers right here would be perfect for your hot cocoa station. They would be really, really cute. I like this one more. Would be great for like your chocolate chip pieces or your peppermint pieces, all the little stuff that you like to top your hot cocoa and coffee with. I think these would definitely zhuzh up and cutesy up your coffee station. What do you guys think? I like that. Isn't this a cute little fella? Oh, it says test me or try me. Let's try it. If your theme is the toy soldier, these are cute. They have a lot of these in different colors, in black, white, gold, and green. I saw a few colors, but they were spread out all over the store. I actually found the nutcrackers and I asked my husband, what do you think about these? And he was like, no, I hate it. They're ugly. So I put them back. But if you guys are looking for nutcrackers, here in Germany, Globus Bauhaus, they have it for $7.99 and they had it in gold and red. And I think somewhere else I saw it in the store in green. So they had them in multiple colors. I wish I had the option to pick them, you know, in black, like that look like me. The gingerbread theme looks really, really cute as well, but also creepy. Like, why are those dolls creeping me out? Is it only me? Have you guys already settled on your Christmas theme or you had it planned from a long time? I'm still winging it, but I have a look in mind. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to bring it to life. But I do have an idea of what I want this Christmas. And I'm excited. I hope I can bring it to life the way I'm envisioning it because it's really pretty in my mind. Okay? All the shopping has been completed, but I think I'm gonna hold out just a little while before I give you guys the haul because I did order some stuff online and I want to give you guys everything at one time and not multiple hauls, if that makes sense. So we did find some goodies, but I'm gonna share that in another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us to shop for the Christmas and look for a stove. We still have to go back to look for one, but we did go looking. We just haven't purchased it as yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And I will see y'all in the next video. So until then, cheers. Descend